Looking for some last minute fun, or maybe you're still looking for those awesome school supplies? We got you covered. Stay tuned to the end so you don't miss a thing. Do you need to relax more? Well, check out our amazing coloring book and you could have a more beautiful day. Check the link in the description. Welcome back, Localtarians, to the Local Love Report, and we've got August 5th, 6th, and 7th. That's your Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, and it is just jam-packed full of school supply drives as well as backpack for those of you who still need a backpack and some other great supplies. We got you covered there too, all over this great city. And of course, we're going to have some fun because it's the last chance before school starts again, so let's kick it off with some Friday. 10 a.m. Beginner Inking. Learn to paint an abstract landscape on ceramic tile with Corinne Carpino at Artisans of Mount Dora Incorporated. $47 and you can come in and learn how to make this beautiful tile. 11 a.m. Summer of Sharks at Sea Life Aquarium. $34.99 to $60. Going on now until August 7th. So last chance to get in there and see the sharks. 12:30 p.m. August Summer Stretch Series at Jazzercise Orlando Mills 50 Fitness Center. Come on out and learn the right way to stretch it out and get rid of some of that stress. 2 p.m. Back to School Bash and grand opening of the Dramatic Education Creative Center. It's going to be at 2471 Aloma Avenue, Winter Park. We're going to put that in the links down below so that you can get that address if you want to show up. 5 p.m. Back to School Throwback Weekend at Boxy Park, Lake Nona. Come on out and get ready to go back to school. Enjoy a fun weekend and maybe even score some great vendor items like school supplies. 6 p.m. on Friday, Kids Night Out at the Mad Science Lab Oviedo. 6:30 p.m. The Quilts, Laverty, Surf Witch, Madison Moon at Stardust Video and Coffee. $10. You can come in and rock out with some of our local favorites and enjoy some awesome music. 8 p.m. The Addams Family at Mandel Theater, Lowndes Shakespeare Center, $20 to $30, and it's going on now until August 7th, so last chance to catch that before it's gone. 9 p.m. Factory 93 presents Nicole Mudaber at the Vanguard. And last but not least, for your Friday night, 10 p.m., Gimme Gimme Disco at Hanau Contemporary Center. $12 to $15 to get in there and check it out. All right, guys, if you need even more great events and especially more of these great school supply stops, make sure you check out our full event post on our Local Love Orlando Facebook page. And don't forget to ring the bells because we do this every single week and we want to see you come back for more. Check out some of our other great videos while you're here as well. All right, guys, let's move it into Saturday. 9 a.m. Orlando Kids Back to School Ninja Warrior Competition at Obstacle Ninja Academy. 9 a.m. Backpack Extravaganza at John H. Jackson Community Center. 10 a.m. Back to School Open House at Cordova Institute in Maitland. 10 a.m. Back to School Open House at Hollywood Institute Castleberry. Lots of great back to school events going on. Make sure you find the one near you and check it out. 10:30 a.m. Meet and greet Adorable Adoptables at Petco in Claremont. All right, guys, if you're looking for a new forever home and you want to adopt one of these beautiful pets, make sure you check it out, and I'm sure they'll be thrilled to come home with you. 11 a.m. back to school block party and school supply stroll at Broadway downtown Kissimmee. 1 p.m. beginning sculpting and casting at Art and History Museums of Maitland. All right, guys, if you're looking to get a new craft under your belt, this is a great way to do it. They always have some amazing things going on at the Art and History Museum at Maitland, so check it out. 2 p.m. rum punch and brunch at DeJunction Bar. $5 to $10. You can come in and enjoy an amazing time and brunch it up. 9 p.m. on Saturday, Malo Daniels, Dallas James, Anthony Rose playing live at Austin's Coffee in Winter Park. And it's a free show. Come on out and support these great musicians. 9 p.m. Club Kaiju Cyberpunk 2077 rave at the Geek Easy. Come on out and get your rave on cyberpunk style. All right, guys, and as always, like I said, we do have more great events at the Local Love Orlando Entertainment Facebook page, and you can go over to our Local Love YouTube channel to see even more great events, whether you're looking for stuff on keto or maybe a nice unboxing or whatever. We've got so many things about local sites and events. Make sure you don't miss a thing. So check it out for yourself, and let's get ourselves back on track to finish off this weekend strong with some Sunday. 9 a.m. Orlando Photography Group 50mm lens meetup in downtown Orlando. Go to orlandophotographygroup.com for full details and location, and we'll put that link in the description so you can check it out. 10 a.m. Lauren's Art Club DIY Paint and Sip Succulent Painting at Spill Wine Bar. 11 a.m. Tea time with Bongo at the Kitty Beautiful, a cat cafe in downtown Orlando. Come on out and meet Bongo and have a little tea time with the kitties. 12 p.m. Florida Wedding Expo at Orange County Convention Center. $12 to $35. So come on out, check out all these amazing wedding vendors, and get ready for your big day. 12 p.m. on Sunday, Community Care Fair at Central Florida Fairgrounds. Let's get out there and make sure that we're all taking care of our community and looking after ourselves too. So come on out and support. All right, guys, this one I'm super excited about. 1 p.m. Florida Underground Fest 3 featuring Wet Nurse, Coffee Project, Dearly Beloved, The Pomeranians, The Cutoffs, Kid You Not, Caustic Bats, and so many more. This 2-day festival in Mills 50 will be at various locations, including Uncle Lou's, Will's Pub, Dirty Laundry, and Grumpy's Underground. So make sure you check it out. It's going to be going on Saturday and Sunday, and you don't want to miss this show. There's so many more artists that we didn't fit in this video. So check it out. 6 p.m. Cabaret Studio, a showcase performance at Renaissance Theater. 7 p.m. 6th Annual Moss Fest Summer Showcase Tour in Orlando at Haven Lounge. Come on out and show out for this 6th anniversary of this great event. And last but not least for your weekend, 10 p.m. DJ Miss Back 3 Dance Revolution at Little Indies. This free event is going to take you into the night with some style. So come on out and enjoy. Grab one of their amazing craft cocktails and rock the night away. All right, guys, that is going to wrap it up for this weekend. What are you guys looking forward to? Did you miss school? Are you ready to go back to school? Are you guys just looking to have fun? Well, we got you covered, so make sure you go back and check that full list on our page, not only for this weekend, but every single day of the week. And I just want to thank everybody. I know we got behind this week because I did injure my wrist, but I appreciate everybody's patience. We're back on track. Make sure you go in and check out some of our other great things, including the links below to some of the awesome notebooks, password books, coloring books, and more that we offer. And I want to thank you guys so much for tuning in to the Local Love Report. We'll be back with it again next week. So make sure you drop us a comment. Let us know what you think about what we're doing here at Local Love. And of course, you can find at the end of this video where you can reach us when you're ready. So make sure you drop us a line. Let us know how it's going. And other than that, guys, we'll catch you next time.
Don't forget to like and subscribe and share with all your friends.
And hit that bell so you know when we have a new video.